Dear students of class 6th from Girls Upper Primary School, BATAGUND Zone Mawar, today on dated 28th of July 2020, the day is Tuesday. Our topic in subject maths, subject maths is addition of integers, exercise number 6.2. Dear guys, question number 1 and 2 were already done by us previous day, but in question number 2, the part E and F, I am going to solve these questions. You may have faced if any problem in this solving of these questions. Here it is part E. It is -1 plus -2 plus -3. There are 3 integers. We were up to question part D, we were solving that only 2 integers, but here are 3 integers. So I can guide how can we add the 3 integers on a number line. This is our number line, dear guys, with this point as 0, all the positive integers on the right side, all the negative integers on the left side of the 0. We have to start from this -1. That means we move from this 0, we move one step towards our left. Minus means left. Negative, this is negative sign, it means left. We have to move one step left and we will reach to -1. From here, from this point -1, we have to move 2 pointers also in the left direction. It's negative sign. This is 1 step, this is 2 step, and we will reach to the point -3. From this -3, we have to move 3 more steps, but also in the left direction. This is negative sign. That is this step 1, step 2, and step 3. From this we jump 3 steps towards the left, and finally we will reach to the point -6. This is our answer. So dear guys, we can say -1 plus -2 plus -3, they will be equal to -6. The part F is also of the same type. It is here -2 plus 8 plus -4. This is our number line. This is the point 0. All the positive integers on the right side, all the negative integers on the left side of the 0. We will first go 2 steps, but this negative sign states that we have moved 2 steps from the 0 towards our left, and when we jump 2 steps towards left, we will reach to the -2. From the -2, we have to jump 8 steps, but towards this sign shows towards right. When we start from this point, first of all, we started from this point and moved 2 steps towards left, reached to the -2. From this -2, we will jump 8 steps, but towards our right. This is +8. When we jump 8 steps, that is step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we will reach to the point 6. That is +6 here. From this, we have to jump 4 steps, but towards our left. This is negative sign. From this point 6, where we are, when we will jump 4 steps in the left side, these steps will be this 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, and 4 step. From this we will fall here. This is point 2. That means our net result is equal to 2. When we first of all jump 2 steps towards left, then 8 steps towards right, then 4 steps towards left, and we will reach the point 2. So this -2 plus 8 plus -4 is equal to 2. Now dear guys, the question number 3, add with our number line. Here we have different numbers, integers to add, but not using number line. This is question number 1, 11 plus -7. Dear guys, for simplicity, we can solve this question by splitting this 11 into two numbers. Our negative integer is here -7. We can make 7 out of this also. This is 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. That means this plus 7 and -7, they neutralize each other. They cut each other. They will be equal to 0 when the two numbers having when the two integers with same two integers with different signs, one having plus sign and one having -7, their result is always equal to 0. When we have two integers, one of same integers, one of plus sign and one of minus sign, their net result is always equal to 0. So we can write here 4 plus this, their result is equal to 0. 4 plus 0 is equal to 0. This is our result. Question number 2. Here it is -13 plus 18. Here we can split this 18 into two parts. One of like this type. This is 13. We can make here 13 also, but this is -13. Here it will be plus 13. Then the plus 5. Plus 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. This 18 is split into two parts such that one part is equal to this with opposite sign. If this is -13, one part should be here plus 13 and another part will be plus 5. Plus 13 plus 5 is equal to plus 18. So the net result of this integer, positive integer, and this negative integer is equal to 0 plus this 5. Any integer added with 0 is always equal to that integer. That means 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Now, dear guys, here is part C. This is again like the same. -10 plus 19. You should separate this plus 19 into two integers. One of them should be 10, but with the plus sign, plus 10. That means -10 plus 10 plus, then there remains 9. The 10 and 9 will become to 19. Try it yourself. And this part D is also of same type. Here it is -250 plus 150. Separate this into two parts. One part should be this 150, but with minus sign, -150, and another part will be equal to 100. So that this -150 and this -150 and this plus 150, they will neutralize each other and become 0. Then remains the another part of this, that is will be -100. Try it also yourself. If any problem, contact me on my number. Now there is part E. Here are the two integers but with the same sign, negative sign, both having negative sign. When there are such integers which have the same sign, they will be, both of them will be positive or both of them will be negative. Then we simply add them and with this result will be with the same sign. That means here it is -380 plus -270. We will add both of them. This is one is 0, it will be here 0. 7 and 8, it is 7 tens and 8 tens. The net result will be 15. 5 and 1 will remain carry. This is 3 and 2, 5 and carry 1, it will become 6. This is 650, but with net sign as negative, because both of these have negative signs. And here it is part F. Like this, same like this, we have to add two negative integers. We can simply add them with each other, but the net result will have again the negative sign, because both of these are negative integers. Hope, dear students, you have followed me. If any problem, contact me on my number. Put these questions in your notebook and try them yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.